Well, it's all about focus at the end. I mean, we are in an energy market which is continuously transforming, and we need to transform ourselves continuously, and I believe that's much better as an independent company to be able to manage this as an organization than in a conglomerate as Siemens. So we are keen and all eager now to get the ship on the sea and really focus on shaping our company.
I was talking earlier, Christian, about IOC, international energy companies, and the BPs and Shells of this world who are finding it very difficult to shake off their hydrocarbon tag as well. One could perhaps say the same thing about Siemens a little bit as well, with your wide spread of activities as well. How aggressively are you going to push new energy at the expense of, dare I say it, older fuels?
Yeah. I mean, if you look on us today, we are really a mirror of today's energy world. 30% of our revenue is actually coming from the wind side, 20% coming from transmission side, and the rest of the business is around gas and coal as well. And obviously, we are trying to convince customers now of the steps in terms of turnaround, the applications of the energy technologies. At the same time, we also try to push to interim solutions. How can we gradually decarbonize natural gas? How can we inject hydrogen in a gas turbine? How can we combine a turbine with some batteries and renewables? And I think these will be the solutions which in the next years will be decisive to really change the energy world. It's not, let's say, by a flip of a switch. It's really trying to find interim steps on what we can develop. So we will try to drive it, but at the same time we are dependent also on the behavior of our customers and as well as also on the regulators and on the governments on what do they want at the end. I think at the end it's a decision what we as a society have to do. What is value for us and what do we want to pay for electricity, for energy in general, and how do we want to manage it? And so all of us are actually in the game to decide that.
Christian, I recall as we spoke to you back on September 1st, you were saying how much that you intend to use this experience now as a way of focusing on operational performance. Just before we talk again about the future, could you just remind us about how you intend to operationally step up a gear with the business?
Yeah, I mean, at the end, you know, we are in a business around projects, we are in a business around fabricating something. At the end, it's also really a passion for detail in terms of really driving cost to the optimum, finding really ways on how to ensure how you organize the projects. Definitely, we will also look in our central structure. And these are all things which, as an independent company, is even more necessary. And it's really this passion for detail day to day to work on it. And obviously we also try to push as well also our R&D focus on this. We spend around €1 billion every year on innovation, and we will continue to do so to help us also to get, let's say, more digitized as a company and really to get as optimized as possible in terms of operational excellence.